we're back with another video, and today we're playing Subway, whatever. Let's go. Okay. Got it. Okay. I like this game a lot, but I also am crazy with this game. Okay. Okay. Now, if you subscribe to this video and comment down below what do you want me to play next. If you want me to do some challenges too.
I got about 4 or 5.
I will see if I can do the challenges. And yes, I will always have a channel. Don't worry, I will always have a channel. But right now, nobody has subscribed. Come on, don't give me that feeling. I had no subscribers, but I did have some views. Give me some look, guys. It's just not cool. That's just not cool. I'm trying to wait for lots of time, but I just can't wait until I get subscribed first.
Okay.
Like 2 days I've been a YouTuber. At least 2 days or more. I do not play lots of games. And after this video, I might be doing another YouTube video. I might do another YouTube video. Oh, how do I do it? Okay. Let's see. And still one higher. I'm trying to pick the girl again. If you looked in my other video, I told you that I need to go to the bronze zones again because I had to start over again for some reason. Which I don't know why it keeps on doing this. But if you watch my videos, it'll show you what I mean. I'll see if, oh, come on. No. Oh, darn it. No, I'm not getting that thing again. No, are you kidding me? See, guys, do you know what I mean? Like, I can't move sometimes, so that's the thing I don't like about it. Continue on. If you want to challenge me and you have this game, just when you get to the score, when you get to the score that you want, and please don't lie to me. When you get to the score that you want, you can tell me what score you got. I'm pretty sure some of you are in the diamonds, maybe in the bronze zone, even more. No comments from me right now. I haven't looked at any of my comments yet. So if anybody has comments, I'll see. I might answer back on YouTube channel, or I'll answer back on a I'll just comment down below and answer the question. How do you get up there? But please subscribe. That's for the day. Okay. But please subscribe, guys. I have like no subscribers. Haven't looked at them, but I'm pretty sure I have no subscribers in any of my videos. I believe only people who have watched my videos, yes, from views. I'm pretty sure I didn't watch the whole thing because I'm not that good at YouTube channels. Oh, it's glitching out a lot. Oh, darn it. Oh. I got at least I got humble rewards. Oh, new high score. Now that I got a new high score, I'm in the bronze zone. Amazing, man. But I still need to pass the girl's score. You don't need to see me on the screen or anything, but I'm sorry you don't see me and you want to, but I don't know why, but I can only play games. I can only play games, sadly. I don't know why. So I can't do like a tour or anything. No coins. Huh. Oh crap. What the? I didn't even do anything. I don't know what happened, but I did not do anything. How many keys? 1 key sadly, guys. Oh, I have to check my achievements. Oh my gosh. No, none? Are you kidding me? Hit that like with a fidget spinner. But if you don't like this video, hit that like with a fidget spinner. I'm sorry. If you do not like this video, please hit that horrible button that I hate. If if you don't like my videos. If you do not like my videos, get out of here. I don't need you anymore. I'm just telling you, I don't need you anymore. Nope, I'm not gonna. Ah! What the? How am I supposed to know that? But enjoy my videos, please. Or you cannot see no more videos. I don't care if you like it or not. You're not gonna watch any videos. When I mean any, I mean none. Not even movies. Nothing. You get that? Thanks. I do not know what happened. Some love in people, okay? Okay. But don't trippin' and blippin' like a trippin' blippin'. Just don't trip and blip. And like a trippin' and don't blip and you know what I mean, right? Like don't trip or blip like a trip and blippin'. Sorry. But this is how I say it. You trippin' and blippin' like a trip and blippin'. Confusing kind of. But if you think it's confusing, put it in your mind. I might even spell it on. Or you can just say it to me if you know how to spell it. Or just it's probably blippin's not a word, but whatever. Oh my gosh. But that was all for today. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe with a fidget spinner. But I love my video. And please subscribe. Peace out. Sorry. Bye guys.